juicy and red. The bus rolls by as they fall on a shed, and an airplane flies up in the sky. The children cheer as it zooms by. Oh, B is for bear with a bouncy ball. The bus slows down near the park wall. The bear throws the ball, it bounces high. The kids in the bus wave as it flies by. Oh, C is for cat in a little red car. The bus turns left, it doesn't go far. The cat beeps twice and gives a grin as both vehicles start to spin.
D is for duck with a drum on a log. The bus splashes through a morning fog. The duck taps rhythm so neat and clear, and the music rings for all to hear. Oh, E is for elephant, big and wide. The bus drives near with kids inside. An egg cracks open with a little surprise as the elephant lifts it to the sky.
F is for fish in a bubbly stream. The bus rides a bridge, it's like a dream.
The fire truck siren gives a whoop as it zooms in circles with a loop.
G's for giraffe with a funky guitar. The bus rolls up from a land afar. The giraffe strums a jazzy song. The kids clap loudly and sing along.
H is for house painted blue and green. The bus parks near, it's a happy scene. A helicopter whirls through the air, waving hello with so much flair.
I is for igloo, cold and bright, with ice cream scoops stacked high in sight. The bus rolls by through snow and cheer
as kids shout yum when it draws near.
J is for jelly, jiggly and sweet, and a jump rope game on a sunny street.
The bus bounces once with a jolly sound as laughter echoes all around.
K is for kite soaring high and free. A kangaroo jumps by the sycamore tree. The bus tilts gently in the breeze as giggles float with the flying leaves. L is for lion with a lemon tart. He offers a slice with a friendly heart. The bus slows down to have a taste, and the fruity treat is gone in haste. M is for moon shining up above. A monkey swings with a laugh and love.
The bus rides under twinkling light while stars blink softly through the night.
N is for nest on a leafy net, where birds play catch in a sunset set.
The bus rolls by with a careful hum, so baby chicks don't lose their crumb.
O is for octopus juggling an orange near ocean waves where sea breezes gorge. The bus glides past the coastal bay as water sprays in a splashy way. P is for panda with a piano tune. He plays a song beneath the moon. The kids on the bus all start to sway, dancing to music at the end of day. Q is for queen with a cozy quilt. She waves hello in a robe of silk. The bus drives slow with a royal cheer as glitter and sparkles fill the air. R is for rainbow stretching wide, with the shiny robot on a rainbow slide. The bus rolls on through colors bright, lighting the sky with pure delight. S is for sun rising over the land, and a sandwich stacked by a little hand. The kids munch lunch and laugh with glee as the bus rides on past a shady tree. T is for train on a twisty track, with a tree nearby and a squirrel snack. The bus and train both toot and chime, together in rhythm, right on time. U is for umbrella twirling around, and a unicorn prancing with leaps and bounds. The bus joins in with a playful spin as magic and giggles fill within. Oh, V is for violin played with grace by a volcano's edge in a quiet place. The bus hums low with a peaceful vibe as music and nature gently jibe. W is for whale splashing near a window where watery breezes swirl and blow. The bus ferries on with a wave so wide as sea foam sparkles on every side. X is for sunny one shiny and bright, played by the moon in the quiet night. An X-ray fish swims just below as the bus glides on in a gentle glow. Y is for yo-yo flipping in air, and a yacht sails by with a windswept flare. The bus waves back with a happy shout as the yo-yo loops all in and out. Old Z is for zipper with a zigzag zipper, dancing around like a quick little skipper. The bus pulls in for the final hooray. What a wild ride through the AC way.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing